Today we're driving a Honda Accord 4-door LXI. This has a single overhead cam 4-cylinder with programmed fuel injection, and the thing that's special about this car is that it has a 5-speed manual transmission and only 19,000 miles. It still smells brand new inside this beautiful blue interior. Price on this when it was new in 1988 was $15,725. It was rated for 25 miles to the gallon in the city and 30 miles to the gallon on the highway. All right, let's hop inside, start this up, and we'll walk you around this pristine 1988 Honda Accord. You can hear a very familiar Honda chime there. This looks and feels factory fresh. From the interior to the cage cluster to the seats to the smell of everything. I know a lot of this doesn't really come through on camera, but this is impressively pristine. Just a real survivor. 19,297 miles. Powered windows as opposed to the manual wind-up windows that we had in the CRX SI that we just drove. And I love this blue interior. What a stunner. Powered sunroof as well. And these 80s boxy proportions are really something. Here's the original window sticker. Lots of space in the back seat. I wish you guys could smell this interior. 14-inch wheels with 195/60 R 14-inch tires. Honda Cape Cod with pop-up headlights. Let's see what those look like. All right, let's pop the hood. We'll take a look under the engine bay and we'll go for a drive. Pop the trunk right there with the lever and your hood right there. Still a ton of trunk space in these smaller, older vehicles. The packaging here from Honda was just fantastic in this era. Runs so smooth, easy to work on. Everything is very accessible. You can see over there the timing belt was replaced in April of 2023. Very clean engine bay. Again, this is just a survivor. Amazing. Awesome to see. All right, let's hop in and see what a 5-speed manual Honda Accord was like to drive from the year before I was born. Surprisingly luxurious interior. Lots of powered options. You got your Honda equalizer here. Stereo controls, vents, AC. We might even run that because it's a little bit toasty today. And that is a moonroof. Very nice. Fantastic visibility all the way around. And powered steering. Hondas from this era had the smoothest gear changes. The shifter engages just like butter. So easy to drive, light clutch, nice and responsive engine. I sit so much higher in this car. you guys could feel how smooth the throw is on this 5-speed manual. Pretty quiet at speed. Just kind of a low hum from the engine in the background. Very little wind noise. Great throttle response. Nice soft suspension. And just so easy to drive. Because it's so lightweight, handles well. Fifth gear is a little bit trickier to get into. You have to kind of get into that gate with a bit more of a purposeful throw. Take your time with that shift. Maybe it's because of the low miles, but surprisingly few rattles in this interior for the era too. I believe everything in this car works except for the fuel gauge. It's so funny, interiors from this era all had such a distinctive smell based on the materials that they used and how they age and degas over time. To me, to my nose, the most recent thing that I've experienced was a similar era Cessna airplane. A surprisingly modern driving experience here. It just goes to show how high quality and how nice Honda's cars were back in the late 80s. No wonder everyone just drove these things into the ground. You still see quite a few of these on the West Coast and out of the Rust Belt. Of course, here in Michigan, this is a pretty rare sight. But these cars are still out there, working away at 3, 4, 500,000 miles. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this drive in this 1988 Honda Accord. Amazing to get behind the wheel of such a well cared for and pristine time capsule. This car was kind of forgotten about for years, and then it was cleaned up and all kept original. And of course it lives on in its new home here at this wonderful Honda collection. So anyway, that was a pleasure to share with you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.
This is an 88 Honda Accord. Actually found this car, I think last year. I had sold I had a 1990 Accord, which is a 4th gen Accord. This is a 3rd gen, because I was making room for some other stuff, and this car popped up on Facebook, I think it was. A buddy of mine sent it to me. So this is an 88 Accord LXI. It's the highest trim level you could get back in 1988, but what sold me on it was it's a stick shift. Blue on blue, 88. Blue on blue. With a stick shift. So if you look at the dash, this car has just over 19,000 original miles on it.
Oh yeah.
And it still smells new.
Holy smokes, it does smell new.
Yeah, it does. So the story with this car is I bought it from a lady whose uncle bought the car originally. He bought one for himself, which was this car, and one for a woman that he was dating at that time. He was about in his mid-40s at that time. And for whatever reason, after about 2 years, they broke up. And he put the car in the garage and really never drove it much after that.
I was heartbroken.
He was heartbroken. And the niece, basically, the owner had developed dementia into his 80s.
Yep.
The niece didn't even know this was in the garage. It was covered with tarps and boxes and all kinds of stuff in it. When they were cleaning out his home and garage, they found this car underneath there.
Wow.
So this was one where I was like, I gotta have that one.
Yeah. This is.
That's just too cool
It's
to,
truly a
to
museum
pass
piece.
up.
Like it's untouched.
Yeah, 100%. And everything works on the car except for the fuel gauge, which I thought was the float initially, but I think it's actually behind the gauge cluster. And I'm like, I don't want to break into that, so I'm just leaving it as it is.
It's all original. You don't want to break. Yeah.
Exactly.
Destroy anything.
Exactly.